Why do people say God bless you when you sneeze? You'll be surprised where it comes from. Back in the 6th century, sneezing was thought to be a sign of the plague, so Pope Gregory I said, bless them, hoping it'd protect them. But wait, it goes even further back. Ancient Romans believed a sneeze could make your soul escape, or let in evil spirits. Today, it's mostly just a polite reflex like saying excuse me for sneezing, but it's got deep roots. So next time someone sneezes and you say bless you, remember, you're actually echoing ancient prayers and plague fears. Crazy how a sneeze has centuries of history, right? Hit follow for more weird backstories behind everyday stuff.